Hello friends, welcome my channel Cooking with Nadeem. Today I'm gonna show you a different kind of salad. Really, it's very different. I want to show you how to make the turnip salad. So I will be use some turnip and then some other vegetable. It's really very healthy for you. This one is turnip. It's just only we use the cutting and chopping and everything. Just mix it well. It's really very easy to make at home. So let's start. I will show you the ingredient. So now friends, I got here the turnip, so I need to chop the turnip, need to cut the turnip. So friend, need to cut the turnip like this. Need to cut in the cubes. So now guys, we need to put in the bowl. All the turnip we put in the bowl. And then friends, here I have the cucumber, so I need to put the cucumber inside also. I need to cut the cucumber. Cucumber cutting is like this. So now friends, our cucumber is cut already in the cube, so now I have to put in the bowl with the turnip. So now friends, here I have the carrot, so I need to cut the carrot also. So now friends, I cut already carrot also in the cubes, so need to put in the bowl. So now friends, need to put some onions also the same. So now friends, I will be use the pear inside. I got the pear, so golden pear. I will be use the golden pear inside also the same in the cube. Now pear put in the bowl. Chop some lettuce. So now have to put inside. Some chopped cilantro. Put in the bowl. Then pinch of black pepper and pinch of salt. So friends, here I have the lemon. I need to squeeze just only a bit lemon juice inside. So now friends, just lemon juice a bit only, just bit of lemon juice, just bit, and then just mix it well. So now our salad is ready. So now friends, our turnip healthy salad is ready. Very easy to make at home. So please guys take care yourself, and then if you want to see my new videos, please subscribe my channel, like